Go get the beers. Alright, new song. New song. What are we gonna do? Snowed in. We want, what do we want? What do you want to listen to?
Music.
Doesn't really narrow it down.
You're in Minnesota, you gotta wear the koozie on the can in the wintertime. It's, your hands will freeze to death. That'll dry.
Nice. You know, I wish I could just upload these straight to Facebook. But you can't upload videos straight to Facebook. It's, you have to upload them to YouTube and then something else. We're drinking some beers. Well, it's 6 o'clock.
Drinking the beer.
And
Everything's closed except for the bars. So, we have no other choice. Go to the bars.
yeah, I mean,
You didn't even want to.
we don't have friends here in town, so that's all we really got. We just go to the bar and look at other people and pretend that we're part of their group.
Yeah.
Alright, we need something different. We need,
Dustin said he's going down.
you going where?
Downtown. He said DT. Look at that.
Double trepidation?
Yeah.
That's what DT stands for. Alright, that works. See, we got a friend, Oh yeah, bar girls, they love us. Alright, so, I really don't know how long this will record for. I mean, we're already at like 2.5. We're at like 2.5. Yeah, I'll save it. Yeah. So, how many of you had? Since? Okay. I think I'm on. I've had 4 since started. Took a little break. Ryan took a nap. So I slowed it down. I'm gonna be hammered when he woke up. But yeah, now we have restarted. So it's on. We're hitting them hard. I think we put down 3 apiece in the last hour. Not that hard, but faster than earlier. Alright. Probably a couple hours. We'll check and see how good we are. Hope I don't drop my phone. So I'm good. I've had 4 beers. Ryan's had 4 and he's good. Yeah, he's good.